Are you the type of car owner who wants the absolute best clean and sheen every time you take care of your car? Have that professional look without paying that professional dollar? Or maybe you're a cleaning professional, a detailer who wants the best products on the market? Well, this is Cerakote Wheel Sealant, and it was sent to me by the seller for evaluation, and it's available to you on Amazon. What I'm going to do is give you a brief overview about it, some general information. I'm going to give you my first impressions, as you will, and I'm going to tell you some of the things that I love about it because I think that you're going to love it too. I don't mind washing and waxing and taking care of my car. I don't mind cleaning the wheels and cleaning the inside and cleaning the tires. What I don't want it to be is an all-day event. And so using a product like the wheel sealant makes taking care of my car that much easier. And I absolutely appreciate it and think it's a huge value. They do that by providing a protective coating on your wheel to keep things like dirt, dust, brake dust, those types of things from gathering and building up on your wheels. And it's not a complicated process. I mean, it's so easy, even I can do it. Using the Cerakote Rapid Ceramic Wheel Sealant is really very easy to do. Once you have the car clean, once you've put your ceramic coat on the tire itself, then we're going to go ahead and get some on the wheels. And this is going to protect the wheels. It's also going to make it a lot easier for them to do things like repel dust that is going to be coming from the brakes. And once you spray it on, you just go ahead and wipe it in. Make sure that you get each section really well done. Once you're done with this, it'll take about 2 hours or so for it to cure. So really, that's about all there is to do. You just go in through and make sure that all of the sections have a nice coat on them. And you want to make sure that you get any of the excess cleaned up. And this is really all there is to it. And I can already feel a difference, but I don't want to put my fingers on it too much. We're going to let it cure here for the next couple of hours. It's made for car owners like me and you who want to have a beautiful car on the inside and the outside. We don't want to spend all day doing it. This is a great, easy way to do it. And it's also made for you professionals out there who are looking for an edge, looking for the best possible products that you can use to help your client's car stay beautiful longer. What's also great, Cerakote has a variety of products that you can use to give your car a professional look every time you do it, and they're value priced. If you're looking for a way to take care of your car affordably, giving it a professional finish every time that you use it, I highly recommend that you give Cerakote products a look. In particular, the wheel sealant. It's going to do a great job for you. It is absolutely a keeper for me. Maybe it'll work for you as well.